Hey, what's going on? Just going to do some fried rice. Show you how I've been making it myself. So yeah, I've just got a non-stick pan here. It's pretty big. Just got it on the largest element too, so it heats up nice and hot. And just going to add some vegetable oil. And first I'm going to cook my egg. I've just cracked the egg in here and kind of given it a bit of a whisk. Take that out. Probably want to give that egg a clean, but I'm going to carry on. So I've just got the meat here. It's been marinating in soy sauce and whatnot. So just chucking that in. Soy sauce and heat up. Bit of soy, some salt, pepper, sugar, corn flour if you have some, and yeah. Okay, next I add onions. I like to use red because they just, I just prefer them. Doesn't really matter if they're not cooked properly because they taste all good a bit raw anyway. And I like to cook it quick, so very hot. Alright, okay, so peas, the veggies, frozen peas. I don't need too much as far as vegetables, but and now this rice here, it's been in the fridge overnight, just so it dries out. And when I boil it, I chop the carrots and boil it with the rice, just so that they're already cooked, because they always seem to take a bit longer than everything else, so helps when they're pre-cooked. So we'll chuck them in. Living a dream. And I got these noodles. I crushed them up. You don't have to do this, but I use the seasoning from these. And what I've been doing lately is adding these noodles to the fried rice. for something different really. So quite nice. Gives it a bit of crunch. And I've got this up as hot as it can go. You have to, especially like with a with a pan that's not non-stick, you have to constantly, mix it or stir it so it doesn't stick. For the seasoning, I'm just adding these noodle seasonings because they're so nice. And this here probably has MSG in it, so it tastes more like takeaway fried rice. So add that. Some sweet soy. This has got sesame oil too. It's quite nice. It's not like super overpowering. Like some sesame oil can be quite overpowering, so in with that. Bit of salt, not too much. A wee bit of sugar. If you don't have any noodle seasoning, you can just add like stock cubes, crushed up, or you could even just flag it, just put salt, soy sauce, and whatever, whatever you please. Cooking a bit, but should be sweet. Oh man, it's so hot. That's just about done, I would say. How's that look? Got to chuck the egg back in.